Welcome back to Kitchen Guide 101. Here is our deep dive into fillet knives, where precision meets durability in the quest for the perfect cut. Today, we're exploring 10 fillet knives, each boasting unique features tailored for the angler, chef, or outdoor enthusiast seeking the ideal tool for filleting fish or deboning meat. Firstly, the KastKing fillet knife sets the standard high with its razor-sharp German stainless steel blades, promising effortless filleting. The non-slip super polymer grip ensures safety and comfort, while the variety of sizes caters to all your filleting demands. Its protective sheath adds to its appeal by ensuring the knife is safe and sharp when not in use. KastKing's commitment to affordable innovation is evident, making it a top choice for both fresh and saltwater applications. Not far behind, the KastKing folding fillet knife combines portability with performance. Its German stainless steel blade and corrosion-resistant finish are perfect for the angler on the go. The durable non-slip grips and compact size make it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, ensuring you're always ready to fillet at a moment's notice. Third on our list, HOSHANHO's fillet knife brings a touch of elegance to the task with its premium high-carbon Japanese stainless steel construction. Its ergonomic packawood handle and flexible, lightweight design make filleting not just efficient, but comfortable. The knife's multifunctional use extends beyond fish, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 4. The Rapala 6 Fish and Fillet Knife is a classic choice that blends tradition with functionality. Known for its full-tang Swedish stainless steel blade, it offers unmatched durability and precision. The included leather sheath and sharpener make maintenance a breeze, ensuring this knife remains a reliable tool for years to come. Fifth on our list is the old-timer cordless and electric fillet knife. With an overall length of 16.5 inches and a blade length of 8 inches, this knife is designed for those who value not only precision, but also comfort and convenience. The textured comfort grip ensures confident knife control, while the battery indicator is a game changer, guaranteeing you're never left in the lurch. The stainless steel blade, notable for its reliability, is removable for easy cleaning, ensuring your knife is always in top condition. The added safety lock provides an extra layer of security, making your filleting experience not only efficient, but also safe. Conveniently packaged with a carrying bag, this knife is as mobile as it is dependable. Sixth, the Bubba cordless electric fillet knife. This knife is a marvel with an 8.5-inch handle and a lightweight design at just 1.1 pounds. The non-slip grip handle and trigger guard offer unparalleled security and control, essential for precise cuts. The dual rivet blade design, coated in titanium nitride stainless steel, is not only durable but also easy to clean thanks to its removable nature. Stored in a zippered case with a special section for blades, it epitomizes convenience. The LED battery life indicator ensures you're always ready to go, making it a reliable companion for any culinary adventure. With a limited 1-year warranty, Bubba stands behind their product, promising a blend of performance and peace of mind. Shifting gears to the Cutluxe boning and fillet knife, we find craftsmanship and quality at its finest. This knife is a testament to premium performance, with a flexible boning knife that's hand-sharpened to a razor edge, ensuring precision with every cut. The full-tang ergonomic design with a luxury packawood handle offers comfort and maneuverability, critical for detailed work. Forged from high-carbon German steel, it boasts long-lasting performance, resistance to rust and stains, and a Rockwell hardness that speaks to its quality. Cutluxe's commitment to excellence is evident in its lifetime warranty, underscoring a dedication to quality and customer satisfaction. Eighth on our list, the Dexter Russell fillet knife presents a classic approach with its non-hollow ground blades, designed for easy edge maintenance and quick re-sharpening. The flexible blade technology is crafted for efficient deboning and skinning, ensuring that preparation is not only fast, but also precise. The design encourages easy maneuverability around bones and joints, embodying the essence of professional-grade tools, catering to both the seasoned chef and the avid fisherman. Then we have the Dexter Narrow Fillet Knife, a testament to functionality and simplicity. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this knife promises lasting sharpness and resistance to wear. The white polypropylene handle Reinforced with high-carbon steel, offers a secure grip, ensuring stability and control during precise cuts. Last but not least, there's the Dalstrong fillet knife, a marvel of modern craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. This knife boasts a razor-sharp, full-tang blade made from high-carbon German steel, hand-polished to perfection at 16 to 18 degrees per side. Its narrow, slightly flexible design is ideal for maneuvering around bones and cartilage, ensuring clean, effortless separations without tearing. The black G10 Garolite handle is aesthetically pleasing and ergonomically designed for comfort and maneuverability, even in the busiest kitchens. Engineered to perfection with a 56+ Rockwell hardness and a hand-polished satin finish, this knife is NSF certified, guaranteeing top-notch quality and sanitation standards. And there you have it, top 10 fillet knives. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. Also, let us know if you have any comments or questions. We always love answering as many of them as we can. As a reminder, we'll include links to these fillet knives in the description, so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our newsletter for more kitchen gadget discoveries. The newsletter gets published every Monday and Thursday and includes reviews of trending. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more kitchen gadget reviews.